Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact HMI model and reading its current firmware version so you avoid mismatches. Once confirmed, load the signed firmware file and verify its checksum to ensure integrity. Make sure the update utility matches the HMI. You should be on a stable power source and a reliable network and have exported a full configuration backup. Now connect your programming cable, launch the update tool, and authenticate with required credentials so you can start the transfer. You now select the target HMI in the update utility and point to the verified firmware file, initiate the transfer and watch the progress indicators. While the image uploads, monitor logs for errors and keep the power and network uninterrupted. Interruptions can brick the device. Once transfer completes, immediately run the built-in verification step to compare checksums and confirm the firmware staged correctly. If verification passes, prepare to trigger the installation and validate bootloader prompts. You trigger the installation and allow the HMI to reboot without interruption. This step applies the staged image to flash memory. Once the device boots, run post-update diagnostics and self-tests to confirm touch, networking, and I/O functionality, then restore your saved configuration if needed. Make sure version and checksum now match expected values. If the unit does not boot or behaves erratically, enter recovery mode, reapply the known good image, and use the backup configuration to restore operation. This single recovery tip prevents extended downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.